Alright, this one we're checking out the Viola part for Birds of a Feather, and big thing that I'm going to work here is checking those bowings. Big thing 19 through 20, 24, 25, and then 59 through 66. Anytime you have an eighth rest on beat 1, 2, 3, or 4, the eighth note right after that is going to be an up bow. So 19 and 20, we're going to have up, down, up, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, and so on. So watching that stuff there. Anytime we have a double up, I only see it once. Measure 42, making sure we have that as nice short. Oh, no, 42, 44, 46, 48. So making sure those are nice and short on the double up. Yeah, let's give it a go. 1, 2, 3. Fresh at 27. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, sorry about that. It was, where did I get weird? Some of my counting 38, 39, 40. Not my best work. Sorry about that, but hopefully it's helpful.